Hi, my name's William Taylor. Essentially, nowadays, the common household has a Wi-Fi router sending wireless signals all throughout the house. So they'll be sending these signals to mobile devices, other desktops using wireless communication, all throughout the house. So basically, when these signals travel through the atmosphere, they're affected by objects that are in the house. So that includes human beings. So as human beings are moving around, they're manipulating the signals. So the signals have to move around these humans. So if we can record this information, it's called channel state information. So what we do is we record how the signals are moving, and then we can see a graph of how the signals are moving. So what we can do is we can have humans doing certain movements, and then we record what the signals look like when these movements happen. We can then use techniques called machine learning to try and recognise the patterns of these signals that are travelling through the air. So example could be if somebody sits down, the signals will move a certain way around that person, and we can use the machine learning to try and pick up and detect if these people are sitting down. So if we can prove that concept and get that working, we can then use it for applications such as health. So you could use it for elderly people or disabled people. So we can monitor them in their house, giving them independence to live home alone. So if that person has to have a fall or something, or some sort of incident, we could use the wireless signals that are already present in their house to detect if that person's fell or in any sort of danger. We can also use high frequency signals to try and detect stuff like chest movement. So we can detect breathing rate. So if there's a drop in breathing rate, we can therefore we can then alert the appropriate authorities. Could it be a doctor, a nurse, a carer, something like that, can then call in on that person, check in, make sure they're okay. So if we're using wireless signals that are already going to be present in the household, we get rid of the need for them to wear monitors that might be uncomfortable. They might have to go to sleep with monitors, stuff like that. We're using non-interference techniques, which are going to help that person. They won't need to worry about forgetting about wearing their devices or anything like that, because we already have the signals. So my PhD will be looking at getting a real-time system that can try and detect what's happening in the household. Thank you very much.